Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my studio. This is Paint with Lovejoy. Thanks so much for joining me. If this is your first time here, please subscribe to the channel and check out the other videos. And if you're here for a second, third, or fourth time, thank you so much for coming back and getting creative. All right, guys, another fun painting today. This is a tribute to Paul Klee and his squares. This was a viewer request. So grab your supplies, transfer your traceable to your surface, and as always, make sure you take your progress photos. Now this one is a sped up version and it's going to have some music that plays by in a little bit. I want you to strengthen your power of observation as you go through this video. Pause the video as needed, and we're using simple primary colors. I want you to observe the colors that I mix together and use what you have closest on your plate or closest to what you mix. You also have full permission to change the colors and fill in the squares whatever you want, or even look at the original Paul Klee squares and go more based on those colors. But this one, like I said, is just going to be a time lapse, and you get to strengthen your power of observation. I am using the smaller of my two brushes, the medium flat brush and the small pointy brush, just to be able to get to these small little squares. A little bit of brush maintenance as you go through this. If you're starting to realize that maybe your brush strokes get wider and wider, maybe clean off the brush and grab your paint again, and that will bring the bristles close together. Also, don't stress about getting the exact perfect color. And again, if you're using student grade paint, I do recommend that you apply your paint thicker, or you can do 2 layers. Now enjoy, turn on, if you don't want to listen to your own favorite music, just put this on mute and pause the video as you need. And just kind of get lost in the process. Like I said, this was a viewer request, so I hope you enjoy this video. Cheers. hope you guys are enjoying the video. I just wanted to give a little shout out to each one of you. Thanks for taking time out of your day to paint. Please do not wait too long to do your next painting. And until then, cheers. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the process of painting and I hope you are happy with how your paintings turned out. I'm really proud of you for getting creative. As you're uploading these to social media, please tag me at or hashtag paintwithlovejoy or email me your pictures paintwithlovejoy@gmail.com. I really enjoy seeing them. I try to post them on social media to encourage other beginner painters to try the process of painting. But please share this with your community as well. Anybody who is kind of scared to paint, share your experience with them and let them know kind of how much you benefited from it and how much you enjoyed the process. So kind of share the fun. With that being said, if you have any comments, questions, feedback, things that you want me to paint in the future, please leave a comment. I try to respond to everybody as quickly as I can. And any of the future suggestions for paintings, I add that to my production list and get to them as quickly as I can. So in the meantime, please keep getting creative. Let me know how you're doing. And until next time, cheers.